part 2 of the road trip. Come on, we need to pack the snack bag. Okay, jeez. I'll go pack the snack bag. Don't know why I'm the only one who's doing this. Because I'm counting everybody. Yeah. Didn't think you could hear me, but okay. Should I bring the cooler? Yeah, I'm gonna bring the cooler. Water bottles. We need like all of them. This bag is just gonna be filled with water bottles. Right. Anyway, I'm gonna bring the bottle thing. I'm not gonna bring any of these because we're just bringing snacks. I'm gonna bring milk thingy, this. Just pretend there's like more snacks because I really need to redo their fridge. There we go. That's packed. This is packed. Okay. And we need to go get the 2 sets of twins. Where'd he go? I just lost on the crowd. Where is it? Hello? Is he even here? Here he is. Come on, guys. Chop. We need to get going. Okay, Daddy. I will leave you here and I'll go grab your bags. I'll bring your mermaid one. Do you want your mermaid one? No, I want my pink one. Pink suitcase, blue suitcase, and backpacks. So, okay, here are your bags. Just start packing, please, because we're very late. We've already gone past the time we were thinking to leave. So yeah, just get packing. Okay, I guess you have to pack. What outfit should I bring? Yes, I'm definitely bringing this outfit. No, swimming costume. Yes. No, yes. Didn't want this outfit. Wait, I need my iPad. iPad. And yeah, I'll bring the iPad since I have a bigger suitcase than you. Okay. Now I need to pack my stuff. So I'm just gonna pack most of my clothes because most of my clothes are summer clothes. There we go. And in these backpacks, we're just gonna pack our toys. Right? Yep. Boo boo. Bum. We need to bring mittens, don't we? Yeah, pack her stuff. Okay, there we go. Oh, this one doesn't fit. Mittens, I guess we're just gonna bring your sushi one. Anyway, my suitcase is packed, so is my backpack. My backpack isn't packed just yet. I'm gonna bring some of these old timey ones. Should we bring our... There we go. Forgot to put this one in. Whoopsie. Doesn't fit. I'll put it in here then. There we go. Daddy, can you get mittens? Yeah. Come on, Mittens. Whee. Mittens is still sleeping. Yep. Oh, I'm so tired. It's nearly time for guides. Oh, I heard the elevator. I guess it's time to pack. Yep. I don't know why I was sleeping with my basketball. It's happening with him as well. Why is that happening? This is so annoying. There. I'm just gonna wear my pajamas. I'm gonna bring my swimming costume. I'm gonna bring that. Gotta bring that. Gotta bring that. Gotta bring that. Back. I'm gonna bring this suitcase. Like that. I'm gonna bring this action figure. And I guess I'll pack mine. Where's my cat's eye bag? There we go. Oh. Whew. Well, I'm definitely gonna bring my cat's eye stuff. Swimming costumes. Some summer clothes. There we go. And I'll also bring this and that and my perfume. And I'll also bring your teddy. We're ready. Hey, sorry we are a bit late. And guys, I know this is a really short roleplay, but I'll do the next part where they're actually like going like tomorrow, because I really have to go to guides. If you didn't hear, play it back and listen really closely, because Mom just shouted on me to come downstairs to get ready. So yeah, bye.